What's up, guys? Going to the island of Maui. They're saying the situation is dire. They've never seen anything like what's occurring right now on the island. The entire island is under a state of emergency as wildfires, out of control wildfires, continue to rage, especially over here on the west side of Maui. And the thick plume of smoke traveling to the west, occupying Lanai City, which is several miles away. The entire island, once again, is under a state of emergency, especially over here in the area of Lahaina, where hundreds of people have been evacuated, thousands have been displaced, and people are sleeping in their cars as homes have been impacted by these out-of-control wildfires that, again, are being influenced by a hurricane that's over 700 miles away, Hurricane Dora. In fact, we'll measure over here at Google Earth. Let's measure first how far the hurricane is from the islands of Hawaii, and I think it's over 800 miles. Yeah, 846 miles to the eye wall of Hurricane Dora. That's soon to be a typhoon. If it continues to travel, and it's forecasted to continue to travel to the west, that's after it's traveled over 4,000 miles. This is unheard of in itself. It started right over here off the coast of Central America. Right here is its current location. 4,270 miles this storm has traveled in the last week and a half, and it's not done yet. It started out as a hurricane. It's going to end up as a typhoon somewhere over here in the western Pacific. But right now, all eyes are on the island of Maui as they are dealing with an unprecedented situation, nothing like they've ever seen before on the island of Maui. Here's video footage of people trying to escape the flames as the high winds from Hurricane Dora, that again is 800 miles away, fanning these flames here that's causing the wildfires to burn hotter and faster, consuming large parts of the island. And keep in mind, these folks are on an island. It's not like they have many options. The island's only so big, so some people went into the ocean and had to be rescued out of the ocean as a result of these out-of-control wildfires. So the situation is definitely unprecedented on the island of Maui, and one of the smoke plumes is so large it's visible from space. It's occupied the adjacent island in Lanai City, and it's traveled over 25 miles. This is yesterday, and the wildfires continue today. We've also got more fires to talk about here in this video coming up here in just a couple of seconds, but first, over here at the homepage of the website, today's feature photo was sent in by Quiana out of Richland, Washington. That is one amazing photo of lightning making contact with the ground. The sky was pink, and this photo is unedited. This is how I received it from Kiana out of Richland, Washington. Checking in on the GOES X-ray flux over here at the Space Weather Prediction Center. All quiet the last 24 hours. Looking at the power outage situation, up in Pennsylvania, 22,000, Maryland, 15,000, 14,000 in Alabama, and just over 12,700 on the island of Maui because of the out-of-control wildfires. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, looking at the seismographs that monitor the mighty supervolcano. Have some rogue earthquake activity over here at Purple Mountain on the seismograph at Purple Mountain, Holmes Hill. Right there in that area seems to be a hot spot right now at the supervolcano caldera. Other than that, pretty quiet, nothing major going on. Wanted to take you guys to Albuquerque, New Mexico. In case you hadn't heard, a couple of days ago there was another structure fire that sent this huge plume of smoke up into the air. The plume you see on the left is from August 6th out of Albuquerque, New Mexico. The plume on the right is out of Garland, Texas, and they both look very similar. The photo on the left out of New Mexico involves a plastics storage facility that went up in flames on the 6th. Going to Texas on the 7th, another facility went up in flames. This was a paint factory in Garland, Texas that went up in flames, and people heard loud noises before the fire started. This event took place on August 7th. The event in Albuquerque took place on August the 6th. And the ongoing event in Maui started yesterday on August the 8th. We saw a flurry of this activity a few months back, and now we've seen two more events in less than 48 hours. I have a couple of videos I want to share with you guys of unusual objects in the morning sky out of the Bahamas. This video was sent in by Dave out of Freeport, Bahamas. It goes back to July 10th of 2023. Check this out. You're going to see something come into the field of view. He was filming the sky, and this was, I believe it's sunrise. You're going to see an object appear in the field of view. It's going to make what appears to be a right-hand sweeping turn into the sky and disappear for no reason. It just vanishes. It's not an airplane. It's not a bird. It's not a helicopter. I have no idea what this thing was, but I know what it wasn't. Like I said, it wasn't a bird or a helicopter. I don't think it was a drone. You don't see any wings flapping. It doesn't look like a bird. However, birds can be tricky sometimes, so I suppose it could have been. But this little maneuver right here, how it just disappears into thin air. Watch, you're going to see it disappear when I put it in slow motion right here. Just vanishes for no reason. Right there, it's just gone. It didn't go behind a cloud. It didn't change directions. It's just moving across the screen from left to right and then just simply disappears. And this thing appeared to be a dark black in color. And as we get in close, you don't see any wings moving up and down. And right there, it just disappeared. These are enhanced versions of the original video. I was trying to pull forward any features. Right there. See how it just disappeared? Just completely went invisible for no apparent reason. Check this out. You're going to be able to see it even clearer in this format. Object just cruising along through the sky. It appeared out of nowhere too, by the way. It just kind of showed up and it disappeared as quick as it appeared. Watch, it just disappears in the blink of an eye. Right here, it's gone. What was that thing he spotted in the sky above Freeport, Bahamas? And I've got another video of something mysterious in the early morning sky, video by Kimberly Smith, taken yesterday morning at 5:37 a.m. on August the 8th. She focuses on this object right here in the center, and it doesn't appear to be a bird or a plane or a helicopter. There's no blinking lights. There appears to be three objects here in her field of view. She focuses on the larger of the three, the brighter of the three. The lights aren't blinking. I don't know birds to typically glow in the nighttime sky. Even though it wasn't nighttime, it was still dark. It was 5:30 in the morning. And she's focusing on this larger one right here as it's moving through the sky. And at first, the camera was moving around, and now she's got the camera still. And this thing is kind of zigzagging through the sky, the early morning sky, and then disappears over here behind this row of trees. I'm going to zoom in and slow it down and take a closer look at this object, whatever it may have been. I have no idea. And I'm waiting to hear back from Kimberly on her location. She didn't include her location, but this was a very interesting video. It kind of reminded me of what Dave saw in the Bahamas. This one didn't just disappear into thin air. It went behind the tree line over there, but that was highly unusual, like the object from the Bahamas that itself was highly unusual, just vanished into thin air. Thanks for the photos and videos, guys. Keep them coming. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. If you guys have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. You can always find a link down below in the description box. Look for this red tab that says, have a large video. It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your video into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.